Hello, I'm going to try this one. This is Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande. I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up, you showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me, water like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm still alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, on me. Rain on me. Oh yeah. Rain on me, living in a world where there's no innocent. Oh, at least we try. Gotta live my truth, not keep it bottled in, so I don't lose my mind, baby. I can feel it on my skin, it's coming down on me. Teardrops on my face, water like misery. Let it wash away my sins, it's coming down on me. Let it wash away. Yeah, I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm still alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm still alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. Rain, rain, rain on me. Oh yeah. Rain on me, yeah. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. Hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy, it's about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami, hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me, I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm still alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be dry, but at least I'm still alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me. I hear thunder coming down, won't you rain on me? Hey, yeah, rain on. I hear the thunder coming down, won't you rain on me? Yeah, yeah, rain on me. Whew, whew, that was a tough one. Ooh, the women are doing a little harder songs than the men this year, huh? All right, thank you very much.